Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the job safe and giving yourself room to work. Put on eye protection and stabilize the bike. Once done, remove the bar end and clear debris so the nozzle reaches the grip base. Make sure the throttle is free to move and the compressor is set to about 60 to 80 psi. Then position the nozzle at the seam between grip and bar. A short, focused burst will slip air under the grip to begin breaking the adhesive seal. You now force air into the gap while you twist and pull. Insert the nozzle at a low angle so air travels along the bar rather than straight out. That carries the pressure under the grip. Use 1 to 2 second bursts and simultaneously twist the grip to enlarge the channel. As the seal breaks, pull and rotate the grip off the tube in a smooth motion. Make sure you anchor the bar or lever with your other hand so the bike doesn't move during the extraction. You finish by removing glue and inspecting controls. Once the grip is off, scrub the handlebar with isopropyl alcohol or a mild solvent to remove residue. This prepares the surface for new grips. Make sure the throttle and brake levers move freely and have correct free play before you ride, then reinstall the bar end. If a grip refuses to budge, try a penetrating oil or gentle heat, or increase psi cautiously. Be careful not to overpressurize and damage plastic throttle tubes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.